Hello, this is Ramya, and I'm going to be starting by saying thank you to each and every one of you in my personal or physical reality and in this virtual reality. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel, Simply at Home. So, as you would have seen, this is unboxing. One I have already unboxed. This is something I had gifted myself. So let me share this first before I move on to this one. Most of you would have opened this video for Art Passion. So this is nothing but a calendar, and let me turn it. This is a tabletop calendar, as you can just see, where you can add in on a daily basis your reminders. And of course today a lot of things have gone digital, but however I am still this person who still believes paper and pen in hand. So this is something I have been part of a particular community where I'm so proud to share this calendar of parents of special needs who put in their heart and soul to figure out how they can leave their children behind independent and self-sustained in their financials as well. So here I just thought I will do a win-win by just like that buying a calendar from somebody. I've just bought this calendar for myself from Ashi's Puzzle. If you're interested, I will be linking in the description box below the information of this calendar. You can also contribute in whichever way. If you have somebody known to you, I think you should be doing that first. And these are the different puzzles that this person has been doing, about 1,000 to 500 pieces of jigsaw puzzle. And trust me, these kind of puzzles, particularly these kinds, are so very difficult for a lot of people, including me. Okay, and doing this needs a lot of patience and art. So yeah, they've written something nice about the person who has done this. This is going to be a reminder for me this year that anything is possible and anything can be done if we put our heart and soul into it. So having said that and having shared, these are the puzzles the person has done, which they have made a calendar out of. So I have already started doing it. I had actually ordered this end of last year, and bingo, got it first thing on New Year's Eve. And so considering I have unboxed this one, let's move on to the most awaited by many. And before that, let me tell you, none of these that I'm sharing here are paid promotion. No, this I'm doing as always with goodwill, for a win-win for all of us. If you're interested, you should be doing this. Otherwise, kindly ignore. As I said, this is purely to share so that people who are not aware can get awareness of. So join me in this next thing. This one, the previous one, which is a calendar, was a self-gift to myself. And this one happens to be a gift from a very close relative of mine. So wow, it's quite a bit of packing with a lot of sealing. This is from Art Passion. For those of you who are already aware of Art Passion, you will be knowing this is a Mehendi forum. And I had shared the link of this one with this person I know, because she's been pretty adamant, saying no, I have to do or give back something to you. You've been putting Mehendi for me. So I had shared this website to her long time. Wow, look at the gift. Art Passion, thank you very much. Your logo is beautiful. And I have to thank Preeti and particularly to Bina. Wow, this is something I'm going to be using next. I'm going to be showing this closer. It's got nice embossed effect. So yeah. And this is not hard. This one is plastic, so just don't drop too hard. And this one is not plastic. This is kind of soft. So when you're pressing it on somebody's hand, I'm sure this is not going to hurt them Wow, these are cute. Okay, firstly, thanks to Art Passion, thanks to one and all, as I started saying. Why am I thanking Art Passion and this relative of mine? Is she has been behind me saying, let me, give back to you. You've been putting mehendi for me and all those things. You're not taking anything from me. And so she wanted to do something. And my win-win, this is how the packing came. I'm in India and this is not easily tearable by hand. So yeah, so that's where it stands. Coming back to Art Passion, and to talk about Art Passion, I guess about 5 or 6 years ago, I was very keenly doing certain things, and I happened to trip and fall into one of the videos where more than the art, okay, art, by then I was already making or doing mehendi on my own, self-learnt. So when I was looking into one of those videos, I happened to bump in. She was talking about Beena, who's the owner of Art Passion, and her own logo. She was talking about how hand has its own memory, and how when we keep practicing something, even if you don't focus, it can automatically do its work. I was so caught on to that piece of information, because I was breaking my head on something as to how to teach certain children, or children who face certain challenges, as to the routine way of teaching is something not applicable for all. And when I heard that, I was like, oh my god, here is somebody who's talking the truth. And yes, I have seen a lot of comments when this was launched few years ago, that oh, this piece, plastic piece, why don't you teach, why do you want to sell something like this? You guys are making too much of money. Imagine worldwide it goes 500 into 10, 200, 100 people, how much of money you will be making. Let's not get into that. What I see that Art Passion has done is, this is a brilliant way. See, okay, another thing I would like to say thank you to Art Passion is this person who has gifted me. I learnt the bridal face on Art Passion. I practiced that and I put it for this person who has gifted this to me. So it's a win-win. How do I give back to a guru is something where you can do something like this if you're not closer to them by buying something from them. But what I saw through these things is, there are a lot of people who want to do, who like to get into mehendi or some form of art, but may not have the kind of skill to directly draw it. So why not use these tools? There are so many people who get into vocational skills, vocational skill training, and so on. So these are things, this is nothing but where you can just emboss it on an ink pad, place it, the stencil effect comes, and you just need to trace it and fill it. How easy can this be compared to sitting and learning and practicing for people who really find it a challenge but still want to do something and grow in the field of mehendi or art? So for that, I am really thankful to both the maker, the teacher, and the people who are so close to me, who do take my request as to what I want as gift and gifting it to me. Because this is a pure win-win situation. The person who wants to get me something is satisfied they have got me something, and the person to whom I've been wanting to give back also in a way has been helped. So thanks Beena, Art Passion, and yes, thanks to Ashi's Puzzles here. Let me wind this up by saying just one thing. When I do this, I will try to take another video of this and I will definitely share. So till such time, signing off this new year, simply at home. This is Ramya. Bye-bye.